Today we will learn how to create the trend. So please follow the procedure and see what I am doing. Go to system view is open in my system. So we will click here. Otherwise, where you have to open from here you have to open the system view. See, there will be option. Active system view you can open from here. If you are using at engineering station, then only it will open. So move this. I am opening. Already I have opened. So I have opened. Then this, and see, this is our project. We will go to the HIS. We will click HIS here in plus position. Then configuration will open. We will click on that. Then this configuration of folder has opened. So in TG1 we have to go to the property and we have to give there are 4 options. So we have to give the continuous and rotatory type, and sampling period, whatever sampling period you need you can type here according to your requirement. You can give the sampling time here. So I am giving 1 minute, I need in 1 minute. So this is the trend block attribute, and another long-term data set. This is only the saving option, how much data, how much trend we can save. If we need for 10 days, how much storage we require, like that there is a column that is not required for us. Now we are going to create the trend. So we will press enter. This is completed. Then we will open this, double click this, it will open. So it was previous some data has given. So here I am removing everything. In PID there will be 3 data, like that you can IC05.pv TIC, whatever data you need, PB, MB, SB, whatever you need you can type here. BSB MB. After selecting this, if you want to select, there is a provision. If you want to select for trend, low limit value and high limit value, you can put here. Otherwise it will take by default its limit, whatever limit we have given at the drawing, at the maximum drawing it will take. So if you want to give the trend low limit, high limit, you can put. And in by default it is, if you put if the signal is analog, you can put analog. If the signal is discrete, you can put here. But if you don't put anything, then it will, whatever it is there, it will take by default. There is no problem here. So like that we can create here. We can give the tag number 8 in one group. Like that we have total number. See how many group we have. We have 16 group. In one group we have 8. So how much we can, in one block, how much we can create? 16 group is there, 8 into 16, 128. So in the first block TG001, whatever, like that. So like that there is a many block is there. So we will discuss that later. So now we will go for the save option. Save it. After saving, just check the message. The error has come. No error has came. So close it now. It's completed. See, we have 8. This pen assignment we have 8. in everyone there is a 128. Like that we have 8. 8 into 128. 1024, 1024 tag we can assign for the trends. Okay, calculation is okay, correct. Now what we have to perform, don't forget to load it. How I am going for load? Please see. We are clicking this, clicking right click, and we are going for the download to HIS. This pop-up window will open, we have to OK. And after the pressing OK, you have to go see that any error or anything has came or not. No, nothing has came. So now we will close this window and we will see our how to search for any tag, any trend. So you have to first put PG, then whatever block we have taken 0 1 like that. 8 is there, no? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like that. You have to put here 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 5 0 6 0 7 0 8 you have to put. And in which group you have created, you have to remember. If you are calling from here, if you are calling from the first layer, there is nothing to remember. So we are created group number 1. So PG syntax 01 01. We will put the quality. So some data, some previous data is taking. So don't worry. Then we will learn everything here. That trend icon is there. We will learn what is the use of this trend icon, how to shuffle this, and this upper limit, lower limit. If we set this or that configuration, then it should come. So here we didn't save, so it's only taking the default value. So now if you click this one, double click here, testbed will open, and here we have taken the 3 value. I am taking only the 2. So now we will put the value in PV. I am not taking it. We are taking also PV as well. So it's taking previous value. We will interchange it and we will learn. And first of all, please observe what is the here trend icon. See, this is the hard copy. This is for the print purpose. It will select, it will save here, it will go for the print. So it is not required. If you want, you can take here. Close it. So we will go for the pen assembly. What is the use of pen assembly? Just click and see. Whatever we have data given, it will come here. And if you want to set lower limit, upper limit, so you can set from here like that. Whatever this is there, you can send, you can check. See, after anything you can shuffle it. If you need PV, if you need SB here, in the last one, if you need MB, you can select it and press OK here. So in my case it is not showing, it is going to inside. If you press OK, it will shuffle like that. So there is nothing to worry. Here OK button will be there. In OK you have to save it. Save it, then you have to close it. So it is taking only previous SBMB PV. Okay, now we have seen the pen assignment. What is the use of pen assignment? We can interchange it. second one, that if any group, another group we have taken, we can put here there, and we have to put OK, then it will come 6. If you want to see only 2, then only 2, like that. You have to remove here, so you can remove from here, but you can shuffle it here. So just you close it. When assignment is clear to you, I have explained 2 times. For first, second, third button, this is for the stop and start. If you want to stop your trend, the trend is fluctuating, you can see start and stop from here. What is this? Time axis. This is the time axis, this is the data axis, remember. So see, my data is coming here. So you can start, stop from here. So then it is for the check. You can check. See, it's taking previous data. See, 2 data is there. If you change, I will show how to change the color of your trend. Then you can change the color of the trend for the better understanding. So meanwhile, we will learn the start and stop. We will learn print, pen assignment, start and stop. This is the time axis. If you want to reduce time axis, we can reduce. See, 11, 11, 30, 12. So press here. Okay. Reduce the time axis. What is this? Enlarge the time axis. Like that. See, it changes. We have enlarged up to the 5-minute gap. We have enlarged. So this is the enlarge button, this is the, see, now it's become the reduce 15 minutes, 12:30 to 12:45, 12:45 to 1300, 1315. Now we will produce one reduction, one enlargement. Then see, half an hour, like that. Here we are enlarging the time axis by this button. By this button we are reducing the time, reduce the time axis. So here it will be affected. Both are the function. Press here and check the what is happening. You will get the better understanding. Both have happened. Now data axis. See, when you are reducing the data axis, 40, 80, 20. When enlarging, see, there is a gap. Enlarge 20, 20. Your trend is increasing. See, your 17, 90, 20, 20 gap is there. Enlarging. When we are enlarging, see, 10, 10 gap is there. So again we are enlarging. See, 102, 106, 44 gap is there. Again we are enlarging. 11 gap is there, completed. After that it will not enlarge. So 2 gap, 101, 103, like that given. So reduce the data axis. See, 4 gap is there. Again reduce the data axis. 105, 1015, like that. If you want to observe exact, then you have to perform this function. If you want to get the exact data, and if you are unable to analyze data, we can perform this all function. We can perform. We can stop. We can reduce the time axis. We can everything we can do up to the here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These two for the time axis, these two for data axis. This is a data, this is a time axis. So remember this one. I am giving some number. I am giving some value here. Put this in auto. Sorry, put this in manual. Give PV value. What? Sorry, it will have to put this. If you want to check in real time, you can put the calibration mode, then only you can able to check this. Otherwise, you can check it running operation. It will take the process value, it hamper your process. So when you checking, we will go for the calibration only. Here we are taking the value because we are working on simulator. I learn limit as I think reach it. I have to see. No problem. You can give any value. No. 40. So 40 we have given. Now we are going for the SB setting. We can put anything in SB. I am putting the 16 and same. I am giving 16 and we have test switch. So we will put this in auto now. We have changed the setting. Now we put in the auto. Our PV is 40%. Now CSB is 69% and MB is increasing. So we will see here. What is this value? This pen assignment. If we are unable to judge, unable to check which graph, if there is a 5 to 6 graph here, then we can get. We have the confusion. Then there is an option for the pen assignment. If you click on this, pen assignment will come like 2 for the MB, like that. Okay, this is the color. See, 1, this is the 3 and 2 will be here only. According to this data, it will open. I am giving the value by ourselves, so it's not fluctuating. But in real process, it will not fluctuate like that. In normal operating condition, it will be smooth only. So like that, we can keep the pen assignment. Remove this from here, click one, pen assignment will come. Remove this, pen assignment will go. Like that we can check each and every graph here. Okay, if you want to check only one, then what you have to do? Just click this. Click this and click this. Go to the trend. Another window we can open from here also, by that block also, by there also we can open this window. So like that is there. So click this one, close this one. If you want only one graph, then what we have to do? Just remove here and see there is only 69%. We have to remove, not to go, have to drop it. See, only one is operating. It's 69%. It's continuous showing 65 in between it. So like that, here you can check. If you want only one, if you want on 3, you can click here. But this 2 is showing. If you go pen assignment, you can check. This is 1, second one will be 2. See, if I need only this is the 100% parallel. So we have to check this. We have to this data set. This is our graph. It will clear it. It's not fluctuating. 30, 15, 30, 15, like that you can. Okay, pen assignment complete. Now what is this? Display mode, it is there. You select it. Zoom mode, whatever thing you need, you can check. Standard mode, zoom mode. So with zoom mode we can check here. If we select both 3, anytime you can see the point. You can check any point here. So like that, by roaming here and there, you can check anything. Both. Read at what is the value. See, in 26/6/2021 to at 2 p.m. 14 hours. What is the value? Like that, you can in zoom mode you can check display initialization, where it has started, at what time. This process started at 12:30. So it started. If you want to see from starting point of time, then you can show started. Index initialization. Save data, you can save here. So like that, this is the icon, trend icon. I have explained each and everything what is the useful is there. So this is the the trend logic, how to create the trend logic, how to analyze the trend logic, we have learned. If we want to, how much data we can save here, how to save, and everything we have learned. And pen assignment, it is very easy. We never use all the icon. We will see and 1 or 2 and we will learn, but it is very easy. If we know all the icons, then it will be helpful for us to analyze the data. So like that, there will be, remember, pen assignment we have to remove. We have removed the pen assignment. So like that, how to create, how to call any window, any graph you need, you can call from here by the TG. Otherwise you call the TIC05. You call here, go here, click here, there is a press plate, tuning, process alarm, trend, control draw. So you have to go to the trend. We see the fluctuation. By there we can see the fluctuation. Whatever we have changed the data here only. Now we are closing our trend function. Now we will learn something different. We have created the trend. Now we will able to create the trend. So I am again repeating how to create the trend. Go to the system view. Click here, go to the system view. Active system view, you click here, it will open for your new case, but in my case it's open. So it is there. So it's open, this will open, this will come to you. Go to the HIS and click configuration. In configuration, first step, open the HIS. Press the plus button, then it will open. Second step, you click the configuration. Third step, go to the whatever you want block, you can take 01 to 08. You click on any block and go to the properties. After properties, you select here whatever you need, you can select. Here it's will work only continuous or rotary type. So this is the way we are taking. For sampling time you can take. If you need sample for the trend making, we have to take the sample. If you want 1 minute, it will take the sample. If you want 2 minutes, take the sample. You can do 2 minutes. So like that you can take any sample or whatever you need, you can take to 1 minute. So this is for only the data set. It don't require you. So close it. And after closing, don't forget to download it. Otherwise, it will take all data. So download it. It will come the download project. Then here error 0 should come. Then you minimize this. No, don't minimize. So like that. One step we have forget. How to put in group 1, group 2 like that. So after the setting of the properties, if you will click, then this will open. So I am explaining. So first you create the property. After setting of the property, you just close it. Again click it. Then again double click it. It will open. Here you have to put the data. Before property setting, you will not able to put here data. Okay, I am showing you one. Wait, I will show you. Otherwise you will do mistake. See, I am not able to put anything here. Nothing I can put in. So every time when you are going for the trend setting, you just click here and go to the property. Click here and first one you give whatever sample time you need. You can give 5 minutes, 2 minutes, I mean 2 minutes like that. Press enter. Okay, then only you can give the data like that. TIC, whatever value you need, like that you can give anything here. Whatever trend you need, whatever test plate is opening, if you need trend, then you can just scroll down the message and you can put 8 value here. Then after that you can select here. See, I am putting some TIC 08. You have to .pv, .sb, you have to write here. So data access like that. You can give any value. So like that we can create the trends. It's okay. Now I have shown the mistake also, what people do and how to avoid this mistake and how to create the trend, and all access I have shown how to everything. So now I am closing this. After setting anything, you just don't forget to save it, otherwise it will not save. Save it, close it, then After the saving, you have to go for the download. Okay, it's a completed. Now train video has completed. How to create the train, everything we have completed. If you want to go for train point of view, you just pen it and it will show one graph that as it is showing. So if you need any particular one graph, so it will say give that one graph. So I am closing here. What is the use of this train point view? That with this data, for this data, what is there? Only one. If you want to show, then we can go for the SB. If you want to show for this data, what is the graph with respect to time? So we go for display train point of view. We will open. No graph. Click on this. There is a graph. See. So this is only useful. First you cut down. We will see index initialization. Here is the index initialization. We will click here and we will take it, drag it some point and right click this and go to change the label. See, my output is showing whatever value we have, that the exact data. Like that we can index initialization. So how to remove here? Click on that, remove this. Like we can remove. If you again you have to see. Click here, drag it, any point you want to drag, wherever you want to drag. Here I am wanting. In what time you need the data? You need data at 14:50. So just point here, match this point to your time, whatever at what time you need. You just put here, drag it here, and in this arrow you just right click and click the label option. Once you click the label option, it will show the data at what time. At that time we need. So this is the index initialization operation. Okay, so I have explained. By this it's completed.